going to cover up a whole wall right there with paintings. Painting, guys. So what you're going to need for that is, where is it? Not this. Oh, I can use. Well, I'm going to be using this and watercolors. You still can have acrylic stuff and watercolors. So let me see. Look inside. It works. Okay, paint is good for watercolor because I have a very lot of this, but I have a little bit of this, so. Okay, I'm finally here, guys. Okay. Let me make sure y'all can see the girl connected to art. Okay, y'all can see. Y'all can see me too. Okay, I'm gonna take this first. We're gonna take this. I'm gonna take the computer. So just, I'm doing, y'all can see. This is what I'm doing. Yeah. Y'all can see what I'm doing. So if you see the computer my way, so if you see the computer cord, I'll move it the way. Let's take the lighting on the truth. Boom. Okay, I can see it. So, we're gonna open our acrylic paper. Let me go get the cutter first. Paper cutter. Cricket paper cutter. So yeah, I know it has gold paint on it. It was in a box and gold paint together. So. I got my cat socks, guys, but bam. They're cute. I know y'all jealous. Jealous. We just took 3 sheets. Okay, we're gonna cut this in half. Let me measure how big this is. Okay. This is 30 inches. We're gonna cut it at 15 inches. We're gonna get it right there, guys. So, okay, guys, that piece of little brat. Don't kick me in the butt. I thought I got you for that. Leave me alone. What did I say? I said go. How can you start doing a video? very light pink background. So let's find a light pink paint. Yeah, a light pink paint. I like this one. Okay. So we're gonna pour some on our tray. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, have this paintbrush. Gonna get some paint. So I'll paint the background. Get some more paint. Didn't get that much. Okay. And I like this because you only need one coat actually, because you can paint the whole background, and it has screws in here. So it holds the paint in easily. I wish canvases are actually like this, because then the background would be so easy to paint, just one coat. But no, you have to paint plenty of coats. So blue. If you can't afford canvases, just do this. Yeah. And then go find some random wood, and then you can nail the paper on it. That's what I would do. I don't think wood costs that much. Oh, and if you have a saw, then it would be so much easier. You could get a big block of wood, and then you're good. Because my mom just got a saw today, because she's fixing her fence because it went down when it was raining one day. Like, I was gonna get my allergy shots the other week, not last week. Wait, yeah, last week. I was supposed to get them last week, but I got it this week. I was supposed to get my shots last week. They closed like 2 or 3 hours early because they said it's gonna be bad weather. It's not that bad, but I guess it was bad at nighttime. But it only started raining on nighttime, so I don't know why they closed it so early. So yeah. My favorite song is, well, my favorite song artist is, well, I'm probably gonna pronounce her name right, but y'all gonna be like, boy, it's so easy. But not for me, because my tongue, yeah. I'll tell you a story later in the summer. I get it done. I'm gonna be scared, but whatever. I'm gonna get it done later. I hope I don't get it, but my mom said help me speak better. So, yeah. So, my favorite song artist is Ariana Grande. I think I said it right. Ariana Grande. So yeah. I love her. My favorite song is Set For Me, even though that's old. Oh, and Break Up Your Boyfriend. Yeah. I love that song. Yes. I love that song. Yes. I should write on a piece of paper and say, yes. Yes. Comment down below if I should let Kyla my video. Yeah, she's okay. She listen to my video and be like, I want to paint too. I kind of like being alone without her sometimes. That kind of sounds weird, but it's not. You just be away for your twin sometimes. You know, we have separate rooms. Still. Okay, guys, I'm back. So yeah. System turn. Well, I need to put another coat on there because. Okay, guys, so I have my pink one. It's a rainbow. It's a big area of white. And no, it does not have to be neat, because on this picture, I don't really care for neat pictures. Like, if it's like a big painting, I will care. But what, like these little things, I like the rough. So, gonna paint that. Wait. Let's make a song. Gonna paint that. Wait. Gonna write some words. Gonna paint it. Right. Gonna make some words. Gonna paint that white. Gonna pick some words. Gonna make a rainbow. Gonna make it boom. Gonna make it beautiful. Gonna make it beautiful. There you go. I really like this rainbow. I love it, guys. Look how nice this is. Okay, and we're gonna write. We're gonna write Rainbow Joy. It doesn't say in here. I can't really read it because the words are very small. But I'm gonna write Rainbow Joy. brush broke. Too bad. I pushed it back on it. Okay. Gotta get some black paint and red ring joy. You always want to have big balls of white or black paint because that's the main colors you use, and you can't make those colors at the beginning. So you need to get big balls of these. This big ball has a bunch of black left, but I use a bunch of white, so I'm gonna have to buy another ball of black. No, white because it's running out. As you can see, I have to use my small bottle. Rainbow of joy. Okay, we're gonna use a Sharpie instead. Rainbow of joy. What time is it? They're doing it for 13 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna do one more and then I'm done because I'm gonna do a bunch off camera and I gotta show y'all. So, should I do one more coat of blue? Yeah. Don't be lazy, just do one more coat of blue, Maya. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So, we're gonna do one yellow. Okay. The words look hard. You know what? I'm gonna use my fabric markers. Lucy, you can't use fabric markers on canvases. Don't see a rule book. Ooh, this is so vibrant. Got a little glump in there. Alright, our background's light pink. Oh, yeah, different intros most of the time. Okay. I did it, guys. Now it's gonna dry. Okay. Let's do the yellow one. I really want to do it. Ooh, I have one good one. Cece, you can do this. Okay, we're gonna write this. I got it, guys. I got it. Skinny side. You. I'll take this one back. Put eye pink underline the underline. Ooh, I love that. Okay, guys, so I just finished. I have a bunch here. Gonna get brighter. Okay, I don't really like this one. Whatever, I don't want to waste it. Have honey on. Happiness is the key. You're killing these smalls. You can do this. You got this. Fans, Kyla fans. Rainbow of joy. This is my year. NASA, Pops, you know, from Riverdale. Or really keep killing it. Or something. Good vibes. YouTube, because I did YouTube. Voyage, because I want to do Voyage. I love it. And then a piece. Like, I forgot what it's called, but kind of like a necklace that goes together. You have the black one, kind of has the white. So yeah. I want to fill. Let me go back. I want to fill up the whole wall. Like, I really want to fill up this whole wall. Well, I made it like this. It looks like my room is big, but it's not that big. The wall. Well, the wall is kind of big. So I want to fill up that whole wall. All up here where the curtains is. Or, let me get brighter. All up here where the curtain is. Over here and stuff. But not over here, because that's where I hate my canvas stuff. In the comments down below, tell me where this what this is from. I was gonna so you can see this face. I haven't finished painting it, but tell me where the movie's from, because I know.